Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi arrived in Chennai today and met DMK Chief Karunanidhi, who is currently undergoing treatment at the Kaveri Hospital situated in Alvarpet in Chennai. Karunanidhi underwent a tracheostomy surgery, which essentially is an incision of a pipe to ensure that any blockades are removed. This was done to improve his breathing. Now, his condition after the surgery remains stable, is what Kaveri Hospital has said in its latest medical update. Remember, the 92-year-old leader was readmitted to the Kaveri Hospital late on Thursday night with breathing difficulties due to a throat and lung infection.
I wanted to personally wish him a speedy recovery. I was very happy to see that he's doing well, and the doctors tell me that he's going to go home pretty soon. So that's good news. He's a leader of the Tamil people of Tamil Nadu, so I thought I would come and wish him personally.
Let's go across to Akshay Nath, who's now joining us over the phone lines with more details on this story. Akshay, Rahul Gandhi, of course, visiting Karunanidhi. He claims, of course, that the DMK chief is doing well. He's stable and will return home soon. But many political bigwigs now making their way to the Kaveri Hospital in Chennai.
Yes, Akshata, I have seen that a large queue is being formed here. A lot of people, dignitaries, are coming to visit the senior leader who's also the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And it has seen that Rahul Gandhi, who had just visited now, he was there from 11:40 and he left just moments back, which means close to 20 minutes he was inside. He said that he spoke to the doctors and officials who were there inside, and he was informed that Karunanidhi is doing well. What we are informed right now is that a tracheostomy surgery has been done on former Chief Minister Karunanidhi to ensure that his breathing issues are solved, because there was throat and lung infection that he was brought in with, and now those have been sorted out, and they're saying that he's undergoing proper treatment. He is on antibiotics and is very stable right now. And the former CM was also informed that he was watching Tamil movies, and last night was a very good day for them. In fact, people are having a lot of hope right now that the former Chief Minister will come back home very soon. Okay. And in fact, it is also informed that the DMK General Body meeting, which was scheduled for the 20th of December, will be postponed till the time Karunanidhi returns home. So these are all the welcome signs that the DMK party cadres are seeing, that their chief is returning back to health.
Akshay, also a quick update on Rahul Gandhi. Really, at this point, he has said that he managed to speak to the doctors and that Karunanidhi is doing well. Do we know if he managed to meet Karunanidhi? Because, you know, similar scenes were witnessed when Rahul Gandhi came down to Chennai to meet Jayalalitha. He wasn't really allowed, of course, to see her. In this case, are leaders being allowed to see Karunanidhi, meet him, interact with him?
From what we were informed last evening, most of them haven't been able to meet Karunanidhi very personally, but the family and the relatives who are there outside have been met. Karunanidhi, because of his tracheostomy surgery, had been separately kept, but they're saying that he is meeting people. Close relatives are able to meet him, but Rahul Gandhi, again, we still haven't got the information on if he was able to meet. But we're very sure that he has met the family members and the senior party cadres of both the Congress and the DMK, and he's also been well briefed about how the former Chief Minister Karunanidhi is doing right now. And from what we have told, at least last time, Rahul Gandhi had mentioned that he was not able to meet Chief Minister Jayalalitha when she was in the hospital, yes. But that's not the same that he has said right now. So there is a kind of hope that he might have met the chief, but the question still remains unanswered.
All right, Akshay. Thanks for joining us with those details.